Dream Baking Boxes, where I infuse baking and cooking with science, technology, reading, engineering, art, and math.
Sometimes, for example, how flour and water comes into this either solid form depending on how much liquid you put inside the flour. The mathematics portion is basically all the measurements. You have to convert the ounces into pounds, and then you have to add that up together in order to get that final amount of pounds in order to make your right cake. My grandma always baked for every single holiday or birthday. So when I turned 5, my parents got me an Easter bake oven because they knew how much I loved it. I kept on baking for my cousins, for my family, which I thought were like my customers. I realized that this is something that I actually love. The chocolate melts inside of your mouth. It's caramel dripping down when you're pulling the brownie apart.